Hey there everybody, Dinosaur Ranger Anthony here, and I got two more packages of replica fossils, and we're going to go ahead and start unboxing them. And they were too big to put them all here on the table, so I want to have Junior Dinosaur Ranger Cecilia hand them to me. Let's open up box number one. Box number one's right here. It's a pretty big box, maybe about a little over 15 inches. Nothing rattles, it's no Legos inside. Let's go ahead and open up this box and see if it is what I indeed ordered. I see a lot of peanuts in there. Don't want to make a mess down here in the science lab. We're going to have to get the vacuums out tonight for this one. Let's see. Plenty of peanuts, great for packaging. Kept it nice and safe while it was delivered. I'm pretty sure it was made in California, even though the label says New York. I think the seller is getting it from his supplier in California. Let's see, woo, all these peanuts everywhere. I'm probably going to have to dump some of the peanuts out, guys. We're going to make a mess here. Oh, gosh. Cecilia's going to have to get the vacuum out after this one. We got a lot of peanuts. Alright, let's get this box out of here, get it out of our viewing area. Let's go ahead and open up this. Let's see if it's what we ordered. Oh, sorry, I didn't want to block the camera there. And it is indeed. Just paper out of here. It's a little different. It is in our two pieces, so that's nice and accurate. It's not molded together in one piece. So here's the top of the skull. And what does it look like, you guys? It's a duck-billed dinosaur, a hadrosaur. And this one is the Maiasaura, which means like female, good mother lizard. It's one of the only dinosaurs that has a sort of a female name because there's an A at the end instead of a US, like Stegosaurus and stuff like that. This one's Maiasaura. It's because it's been found up in Montana with some hadrosaur egg nests, and it was protecting its young. So they had it be the good mother lizard as it was protecting its nest from predators. Pretty neat. The listing had, this wasn't all filled in the listing. This one's going to be the eye hole. When you look at dinosaur skulls, you count in. So they have two eyes, so you count in two holes. So this one's just going to be an open fenestra. And then we got our eye hole right here. The listing had it being all the way, you could have put your hand in there. They left the resin as the resin cast isn't like that. Still a pretty nice unit, pretty nice piece. They got all these teeth in here. You can see them in there a little bit, all those teeth in there. It's kind of like our hadrosaur tooth. I wish I had it sitting out here. They would have had thousands, 2,000s of teeth, of razor sharp, self-sharpening teeth in their mouths, and just rows of them, and they would have literally just chopped up the vegetation that they were eating. So that's our first one right there. I am pretty impressed with it for the value. So it is sitting there like this. And the reason I got the Maiasaura, the hadrosaur duck-billed dinosaur, is because there's no fossils of dinosaurs in my home state of Nebraska. They found a tooth, and there is like a femur, a leg bone, but scientists, paleontologists think that the bone was brought out of state and it wasn't originally in Nebraska. But we do have trace fossils, and those are like footprints. So down in southeastern Nebraska, they found like 22 footprints from what would have been a hadrosaur dinosaur. So I wanted to get the hadrosaur, the duck-billed Maiasaura, to bring to some of the schools here in my home town of Omaha, Nebraska, my home state of Nebraska, because it can explain a little bit more of the geological past of Nebraska. So that's why I got this hadrosaur dinosaur. We'll go ahead and send him right there. And this is just a juvenile. It is not a full size. I believe this is, I think it's about 15 inches was this skull. The life size, I think, is looking up more of around 40 inches. So that's that one. Let's grab the box number 2, guys. Let's see what's in this one. Cecilia's gonna. I can't even lift it over here. This one's big, guys. It's gonna block the whole screen. I'm gonna have to stand up. Can you see me over here? All right, let's open it, and then we'll get this box out of the way for our viewers. Just a few little bit of tape. This one isn't rattling like Legos either. This one's coming from Los Angeles, Northern Hollywood. Well, same peanuts, come from the same company. Both are coming from the same company, even though I got them from separate suppliers. Put this down here. Make this a little easier. I'll get down here and see what we've got in here, you guys. Let's push some more of these peanuts onto the table. This one's a lot bigger skull. I believe this skull is going to be about 22 inches long, just under 2 feet. Boom! There we go. Plastic wrap. That's what we got. Plastic wrap is our second fossil. Get these boxes out of here. We'll have Cecilia start cleaning those up. We got a peanut mess around here, guys. All right, let's try and get this open a little bit. Nicely packaged, well protected. Let's see what we got in here. Any guesses? Got lots of plastic wrap. Bubbles. We'll let the baby pop those later. Alright, what do we got here? There's peanuts everywhere! It's an extravaganza! Hey, I don't know how I'm gonna get into this thing. Alright, here we go. Here's a little bit of the paper sack packaging in here. Hopefully it's what we ordered. Throw set that aside. We're just a little bit closer, guys. Where should we begin? Looks like this is probably, hopefully, the right side up. Oh, gosh. Oh gosh, there's tissue everywhere. Oh, this is a beauty, guys. This is a beauty. All right. Yeah, this is a nice. This one's nice. Package very good. I'm going to have to email the creators and tell them I was very happy. Ooh, nice. Now this doesn't look like a dinosaur, does it? This one's pretty nice. I'm really impressed with this guy. This is a prehistoric rhinoceros from the Tertiary period, which is the period of the Cenozoic era. So this period falls within the Ice Age, the modern Ice Age, the last one. This would have been a prehistoric rhinoceros called the Teleoceras, and it would have had this one little horn right here. We see it right here. It would have been more shaped. It had short legs, more of a barrel chest. It's considered kind of looks like a hippopotamus, but has the, it is a rhinoceros species, a rhinoceros order. It's got the one little horn on it. But this is a life-size adult skull. I believe it's just over 22 inches, just under 2 feet. And I got this because more tertiary rhinoceroses have been found in my home state of Nebraska than any other state in the United States. So it's another piece for my geological Nebraska lesson that I am doing virtually, and hopefully we can go to some classrooms here starting next August. But this is going to be our rhinoceros. You can see his nice teeth in there. They did a good job protecting the teeth. Put that on there. I am very impressed with these two replica fossils. They do look very nicely made. I enjoy the colors on them. Pretty nice. So that's our two fossils we opened today, guys. We got our Teleoceras and our Maiasaura. We know for sure that Teleoceras lived in Nebraska, and our Maiasaura is a hadrosaur. Probably, they find it up in South Dakota, Wyoming, so more than likely it lived a little bit of its time here in Nebraska as well. So those are our two fossil replicas that we got for our Stomp Chomp Roar community, some of our virtual lessons packages. Please check out our website at stompchomproar.com. You can see all of our social links, and go check out our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, our YouTube channel. You can go to SoundCloud and check out our podcast and join our Stomp Chomp Roar community. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching us unbox these two fossil replicas. And we'll see you again next time. We got one more box coming with two more big items, and those are from the Mesozoic era, so they are dinosaur related. So we'll see you guys again next time. Until then, have a great day.